How's it, bro? So here's how you execute the strategy. Um, for starters, the trend line. The trend line, you first you see these 2 points. You draw a trend line there, and then first touch, second touch, and basically the strategy is about market not coming back to form a third touch, right? So at first you first do that, and then you look for the previous high, which is this point, over here, right? And then once you've done that, I place a horizontal line there. First you have to wait for price to break this point. Once price breaks this point, that's when you execute a buy, right? That's when you execute a buy. And then the reason why you execute a buy off that point is because that's when you are sure the price will not be coming back to touch the trend line for the third time, right? That's when you place buys. You place buys, you place buys, you place buys, you place buys. Right, and how you execute it is actually that you carry on placing buys, until your free margin doesn't allow you to place any more trades, and then you wait for it to go into profit, and then you keep on adding your thinking, your positions, and yeah, then you keep on adding your positions. That's why you can see here that not all of my positions have the same price, you see. So yeah, that's how you trade the strategy, that's how you execute it. I hope I was able to explain it to you well enough, right? Just as a recap, here's how it went. It first touched here and also touched here, right? So that's the first touch on the trend line, that's the second touch on the trend line. Please don't mind this, please don't mind that little touch, just mind this one as it is the major touch. And for the strategy, you try and draw on your wicks. So since it's touched for the first time here and touched for the second time here, now we are looking for buys. And what do we have to do? Before that, we have to first wait and see if price actually crosses this point, right? Once price crosses that point, then we know for sure that we are going for a buy position. That's why over here I was able to execute buys, kept on placing buys, right? And how leveraging works is basically you taking advantage of free margin and actually placing more trades, as many trades rather as your free margin allows you to. Yeah.
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade, and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, Trader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader, on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading, and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.